If you're looking for a job and want to apply in one and Indeed, then here's how you're going to do it. So first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're logged into an account or you have already created your account. Now, once you're in your account, you're going to head over to home or your dashboard, and then from here, you can search for a job title, keywords, or company, and then you can add a area where you want to work, and then from there you can just click on find jobs right here. But for this tutorial, I am just going to look for the section that is like the jobs for you. So this one is like created by Indeed based on your resume or the information that they have about you. So from here, I'm just going to choose the job that I want to apply for. So for example, this one, work from home junior meta ads, you have to make sure that you're going to click or you're going to read all of the job description and all of the details. So for example, this one has a pay of 20,000 to 40,000. This job type is full-time. So just make sure that you can commit to these details. And then you also have to read the full job description. So as an employee, or a potential employee, this is your job. So you have to make sure that you know what you're going to do once you apply or once you get accepted, and then also what they expect from you. So here is everything that you will be doing. This is basically the job description, and then what you bring, and then the work setup as well. And then also some of the jobs that are posted here specify what or how you're going to apply to them. So first thing, you're going to send your resume on Indeed. You can include examples of your meta ad results and another sample if they require you. And then you also can see here a bonus point question, which is almost like a trap, I would say. Questions like this: tell us your favorite ice cream flavor, or tell us your favorite movie or show. All of those bonus points are actually an evaluation of you, whether you read the whole job description or if you're missing some of the information that they are asking from you. So I want to specify here that you need to read the whole job description if you want to up or to increase your chances of getting accepted. So once you have read everything, and once you're sure that you want to apply to the job, you can just click on apply now right here. And then from there, you're going to review your location details as well as your profile. You're going to click on continue once you're done. And then you can also add your resume for the employer. You can either use your Indeed resume or you can upload your resume as well. Now you're just going to hit on continue after that. And then from here, you're going to answer the questions from the employer. So it really depends on the employer whether they're going to ask you some questions, or if they're not going to, or if they need only the resume from you. But for employers that are asking questions, just make sure that you answer them as honest as possible at the best of your ability, and that you meet all of the required count or the required word count right here, or you try to stay less than the maximum amount. Now after that, you're going to hit on continue right there, and then you're just going to complete this by highlighting the job that shows relevant experience. So you're just going to click on continue once again, and then from there, they're going to prepare a review for you so that you can review everything that you're going to submit. And then from there, you can just click on, you're going to check this box for captcha and then click on submit your application, and then you're done. You can now upload, or you can now submit your application. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.